boys and girls. Today we're going to continue our story of the Three Little Pigs. But instead of learning it the traditional way, let's talk about alternate endings. But before we get into that, let's go over our objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to ask and answer any questions, use pictures and text to describe the main characters and their story elements. Our standards are over here, and also we have our essential question. Our essential question that we're going to focus on is, why is it important to ask and answer questions when reading? How are alternate endings good for readers? We've all wanted to change the ending of a story. Let's refer back to our Three Little Pigs. How many of you have actually read the story, The Three Little Pigs?
I have.
Excellent. So, if you could tell me really quick, what's the story about?
Well, there's three little pigs, one brick house, a straw house, and a stick house. A big wolf tries to blow down the house.
Excellent. So, instead of the big wolf blowing down the house, why not we make our own alternate endings? And that's what you'll be doing by the end of the lesson today.
All right, boys and girls, now that we have concluded introducing our alternate ending lesson, let's actually talk about the Three Little Pigs. We've already stated that there was 3 pigs and a big bad wolf. But have you ever thought about changing your alternate ending and making it your own? And that's what we're going to do. So once you guys get to your computers, we will be looking at our ThingLink, and we will view our lesson through this link. And the video that we're going to play is the true story of the Three Little Pigs. So once you get to your computer, you're going to come across this blue dot right here. We've already done the yellow, so now we're going on to our blue dot. And that's where you're going to open up your lesson, and you're going to actually view the video of the Three Little Pigs. Okay, this is going to be the perspective of the wolf. As you're looking, look for key details. Look through the video and ask yourself, well, why is the wolf acting this way? Well, why are the pigs acting this way? And basically, you're going to try to come up with a conclusion of, are the pigs the bad guys, or is the wolf really the bad guy? Okay? After you're done viewing this video, you're going to go down here to this green dot. When you open up the green dot, you're going to click on it, and you're going to come to read, write, and think. Once you get to this, you're going to see a story map for interactive for students. When you get to this screen right here, you guys are going to work in pairs and come together and think of, okay, am I going to talk about the perspective of the wolf, or am I going to talk about the perspective of one of the pigs? So once you guys decide that in your groups, you're going to click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, you're going to type in the title. Make sure you use capital letter because this is a story written by an author. And then you can decide, are you going to put the author's name, or you can put your own. I'm going to go ahead and just put my own. Then once you get done with that, you're going to click on character map, conflict map, resolution, or setting. I am giving you the option to pick which one you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and click open character map. Once you click character map, you're going to put the character's name. So this is when you're going to decide if you're going to do the big bad wolf or one of the pigs. So I'm going to do the big bad wolf. Once you've clicked in the character's name, you're going to hit enter, and a box will appear, and you're going to type in one of the prompts that, what does the character look like? What is the character doing? And each box, as you type something, this is just a sample, you keep clicking and questions are going to pop up along for you to answer. How does the character act? I'm just typing in a sample, but you're going to write a complete sentence using a capital letter, space, and punctuation. And then you're going to come across your third question. It says, how do other characters in the story react to this character? This is when you're going to compare your character to the other characters in the story. You're going to type in another box as well. Once again, this is just a sample. You are going to actually write a complete sentence. Once you've hit enter again, now you have the option over here to your right-hand side to print, help, and edit. You don't need to edit because you've already looked over your work with your partner to make sure you have capitalization, punctuation, and space. You're going to actually hit print. Once you've print, it's going to be sent to the printer, and then you'll turn in the paper into the basket for a grade. Once you've completed that task, you can click out of it, go back to your ThingLink, and you're now done with the yellow, you're done with the blue, you're done with the green, and now here's your last task. This is when you're going to work independently by yourself. You're going to answer this question is, what is your ending? So now we've talked about alternate endings. We've talked about the perspective of the wolf. We've talked about the perspective of the pig. So now what you're going to do is give me your perspective of how you would change the ending of the story. Any questions? Great. Go ahead and get started and have fun learning.